Hey, what do we have here?
It's a 1999 Honda Shadow.
99 Honda Shadow.
Yep, I cut the back end of it off. That's a different gas tank. The gas tank came off of a Kawasaki Vulcan. The front fender is off of a Vulcan, I believe. And the seat came off of a crotch rocket. And I made the side covers fit. The only thing that's really a Honda Shadow is the frame and the motor. Everything else is a different bike. Yep. And the headlight came off of 2017 Harley.
So this is a bike built from many bikes.
Yep, about 8 bikes maybe.
8 different bikes.
Yep.
Very nice.
Yep. It took me. I bought the bike for $50, and it was like trash. You know what I'm saying? It'd been sitting up for 15 years. The rats ate the whole wiring harness out of it. So I brought it home and I put it in my kitchen and tore it all apart. I tore it down to just the bare frame. Then I painted the frame, put the motor back in, got all the chrome looking nice on it. And then somebody stole it 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and I just got the sucker back about 5 days ago.
Very good.
Yep.
What's your name?
Josh.
Well, Josh, you built a nice bike.
Thank you, my man. Thank you.
Everybody take care. God bless. Have a great day.